In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly at work. Calendly is an efficient tool for scheduling meetings and appointments without the usual back and forth emailing. So let's jump in and simplify your scheduling process. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. This is the starting point for accessing the user-friendly interface of Calendly. Once the web page loads, look for the login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. After you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in the provided field and then hit continue. Entering your email will help Calendly identify your account and personalize your experience. Next, it's time to input your password. After entering your password, click continue to access your account, bringing you to the Calendly homepage, your central hub for all scheduling activities. On the homepage, look for the workflows option and click on it. Workflows are essential for automating various tasks, such as sending reminders or follow-ups, which can greatly enhance productivity. Let's create a new workflow by clicking on New Workflow. As you create this, you'll see an option to select an email reminder to invitee as part of your workflow. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring your invitees never miss important events. Give your new workflow a memorable name. Naming it appropriately will help you distinguish it later when managing multiple workflows. Now choose an event type and click on Apply. Choosing an event type helps in categorizing your workflow to suit the particular event's requirements. Moving forward, you need to click Edit on the section labeled When This Happens. This portion allows you to set the conditions under which your workflow will be triggered. Afterward, you'll find fields to enter selected options that match your specific workflow needs. The section labelled Before Event Starts is next, where you can set a time for your reminders. This ensures that notifications are sent out at the perfect time, keeping all parties informed. Click on Done once you've set the timing. You'll then see a section titled Do This. Click Edit here to manage action details. Here you have the opportunity to tailor the content of your email reminder. Choose the right email address to send from, and select a reminder template that aligns with the event's context. Feel free to edit the subject and body of the email, adding a personal touch or detailed instructions as needed. Ensure you tick any necessary checkboxes to activate options relevant to your workflow. Once all your settings are adjusted, click Done to finalize your edits. If there are additional actions you'd like to incorporate into the workflow, simply click Add Action. This flexibility lets you build comprehensive workflows tailored to your needs. And finally, click Save to secure all your hard work. Congratulations, you've successfully created a workflow in Calendly. By following these steps, you can streamline your scheduling tasks and manage your appointments more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your workday a bit smoother.